If you already have an email list or people engage with your pages on Facebook or great website traffic, you can and you should create a custom audience of these people. What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs and business owners. As a business, it is important to know how to reach the right audience and provide them high value content to grab their attention. But a mistake many people make is to believe that Facebook ads will make them a lot of money right away. Unfortunately, or should I say fortunately, it is not that simple and requires some marketing strategy to be profitable. In my opinion, to be successful at Facebook ads, you need to think about every step of the customer journey and make it look as clean and professional as possible. But if you are already running ads, here is some advice I can give to you to help you to get the best results. The first tip is to use custom audience and look-alike audiences. With the recent Apple iOS 14 update, it enables users to have an option to opt out of activity tracking, and this may have a negative impact on the effectiveness of the campaign. What does it mean by having an option to opt out? For Apple users, they will receive a notification that says allow Facebook to track your activity across other companies, apps, and websites. Usually, when a person sees this, they will automatically select Ask App Not to Track because they simply think Facebook will hunt them down and track their activities. But I want you to think of it as a better targeting. By allowing Facebook app to track you means you will receive much better targeted ads and increase your overall experience as a user. Like I was saying, majority of the people will opt out once they see this notification. As a result of that, it will significantly impact how Facebook can receive and process conversion events from the Facebook pixel. Actions such as video content, add to cart, checkout, purchase, and other similar events will be underreported if users choose to opt out of data tracking. We can't do anything about this, so instead of complaining, another thing we can do to improve the ad campaign is by using custom audiences and look-alike audiences. If you already have an email list or people engage with your pages on Facebook or great website traffic, you can and you should create a custom audience of these people. Those are your warm leads. They already know who you are, what you do, and engage with your audience. So why try to look for other audiences and waste your money? A custom audience from a customer list is a type of audience you can create made out of your existing customers. You can target ads to the audience you have created on Facebook, Instagram, and Audience Network. For custom audience to work, I always tell my students to have a list size of at least 150 people. Of course, the more the merrier for this to be effective, but 150 is the minimum amount that you should be looking at. If you're just starting out your business and you have 0 people on your list or less than 150 people, then you will need to start building up your list first. Facebook marketing and list building are something that I coach in depth in my program called Passionpreneur Academy. In PPA, we're going to work together to bring you from a total beginner all the way to phase 7. We have 7 phases designed to help you to build a foundation of Facebook marketing and to help you get leads into your business. If you would love to make a difference in your life and learn more, then click the link in my comment section below to join my free 90 minutes webinar. Then once you found your ideal audience, you can create a look-alike audience. A look-alike audience is a way to reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they are similar to your best existing customers. For instance, let's say your existing audience are based in UK and you would love to find new customers in the US. No need to try and guess out who these potential customers would be. All you need to do is to use look-alike audience features and Facebook will take care of finding similar people to your base audience and create a brand new audience of potential customers based in the US for you. Moving on to the second tip is to give an ad set at least 7 days before optimizing. Every ad needs some time to get into the algorithm and shows its true potential. Give it some time before writing it off. I personally run my ads for 7 days, at least 7 days, before analyzing and optimizing them. But what is a good ad set? It really depends on your campaign objective. For instance, if you are running a conversion campaign for a product or service, you will want to look at the return on ad spend, or I would say it's a cost per acquisition, to have an idea of the margin you are making and the average cart value. Cost per acquisition means how much you spend to acquire each customer, and the average cart value is how much each customer is worth to you. If you spend $10 to acquire a customer and each customer is worth $20, then you are profiting. Whereas on the other hand, if you spend $50 to acquire customers and each customer is worth $10, then you are losing money. Every time when my team and I meet to discuss our ad campaign, we only look at these two areas. What is the cost per acquisition and what is the average cart value, to determine which area we need to tweak further. If you would love to get a better result in terms of getting leads on Facebook, then click the link in my comment section below to join my free 90 minutes training. The goal of testing an ad set is to break even. It means you are not expecting to be profitable, but you're just trying to look for the right audience before scaling up your ad set. If your ad set has poor results after 7 days, stop it. Duplicate it, change the targeting and run it again. Rinse and repeat until you find the winner. That brings me to the third tip. Avoid pausing ads or apply change to your current running ad set. It results in your ads being taken out of Facebook algorithm, and when you start it again, the competition might have changed. For instance, more people targeting the same audience, which may lead to you spending more money on ads and decrease the efficiency of your ads. So if you really need to change something inside your ads, it's advisable to duplicate the ad campaign, edit the duplicated one and run the campaign again. Fourth, scale up by increasing your campaign gradually. Yes, gradually. If you are starting off with a lower budget and your ad is doing really well and you are looking to scale up that winning ad set, you will need to increase your daily spending budget to scale up and reach more potential prospects. Make sure to only increase 20% at a time. So for example, from a $10 per day, you scale up to $12. From $20, you scale up to $24 per day, etc. If you jump from $5 straight to $50, you will flood your target audience and mess it up with things, screw up the algorithm instead of increasing your ad success. Fifth, review your customer journey. If you are getting leads but no sales, you need to review your customer journey. The biggest mistake is to directly run ads to your product and services. This isn't how a customer buys. I talk more about customer journey in this video here, so make sure to check it out after watching this video. The ad is only one part of the sales process. It's only the beginning. If your leads are not converting, then you will need to look into the next step of your process, your customer journey, your funnel, and start tweaking until it works. Split testing is the best way to optimize your customer journey. Also ask some fellow marketers and mentors to review your customer journey to have their opinion and get their feedback. I truly hope that this video has been helpful for you. I do a lot of content about social media marketing strategy, so be sure to check out these two videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!